Hello everyone, welcome to my channel BBTechHub. So today I'm here to discuss about the types of network based on the geographical coverage. So can you guess what do you mean by the geographical coverage? Geographical coverage means it has been observed that when we are going to establish the communication between the devices, so what would be the distance between the sender and receiver? So in the previous video only, I told you that whenever a communication we are establishing, so we must need two devices. One we call at sender and another who is asking for the information is the receiver. So here is a question, how far the receiver from the sender? Because if the distance is changing, so types of network pattern will also changes. So on the basis of this geographical coverage, we have classified the network in 5 categories. So what the first thing we call it as a PAN. That is nothing but the personal area network. What do you mean by the personal area network? If my device, my PC or my laptop is connected with the wireless keyboard, mouse, or with the smartphone, so that is also we can say as PAN. That is personal area network. Here the devices are connected within the maximum 30 feet. So this type of network we call it as personal area network. Now the second thing that is very popular, that is called the LAN. That is local area network. What is LAN? LAN is nothing but, if I say this is any network within an office or building is called as the LAN. Means an organization is configuring its network within its building premises, and that is we called as a LAN. So we believe that maximum it can cover 1 kilometer to 2 kilometer, but it would be best if it is the within the 100-meter. Means if the source and destination within the 100-meter of the distance, that type of network will be very good and the signal strength will be also good. Is it? So now if I go little bit more broader aspect, then we can go for the another type of network that is called the campus area network. So we all know that every university is about 10 to 15 kilometer in distance, because for an university we need a large space area, and in these universities different buildings are there are different departments are there. So every department we consider it as a LAN. Okay, and in this every department are having their own internal architecture that is within the maybe 1 kilometer. So here the question is that if the university wants its every department is able to communicate with the other departments, and that type of is getting connected, that type of network is called as the CAN. CAN means campus area network. It is within a campus, and it is expected that every campus may go up to 10 to 15 kilometers. So it may happen every time source and destination will not be within the 10 to 15 kilometers. It may go more. So again, then another type of network comes that is called the MAN. MAN is nothing but the metropolitan area network. A city, it is expected a big city maximum go up to 100 kilometers. But it would be better if the communication is established within 50 to 60 kilometers. So here you see within a city, maybe there is a university campus, There may be a hospital campus where the lots of buildings are there, different departments of hospitals are there. You can go for the office campuses. Every office nowadays, 2, 3 buildings are there. Or you can see the residential areas also, the big societies where the lots of towers are there. If we want all those get connected and able to communicate with each other, then what type of network technology we are using, that technology is called as the metropolitan area network. And this type of network we can see in a big cities where, as usually, we give the common example is the cable TV. Now here is the question, what will happen if the one device is at the one corner of the world and other device is at the other corner of the world? And in this moment, no distance is the foundation. So this type of network industry is saying WAN. What is WAN? WAN means a network which spans from one corner of the world to the another corner of the world. And here no geographical boundation comes, no 10 kilometer, no 100 kilometer, and no 1,000 kilometer. And technically, actually, we say where the land boundary ends, then WAN boundary starts. If my destination is within the reach of the source, then it's a LAN. The moment we want to transfer the data, the destination is the out of the reach of the source, and that moment, other than when there is no option in the market. Okay, so that's why one is such type of networks which has the capability to come throughout the all over the world's different networks. And we all are aware about the internet. We usually say internet is the example of the WAN. Okay, so thank you today up to this. In next video we will discuss more things. Thank you.